Properly specified flashback arrestors provide essential safety measures for securing the working environment when oxy-fuel welding and cutting. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Welcome. CutSkill Flashback Arrestors from Cigweld, Australia, prevent the flame and the gas from travelling back into the equipment or supply line, removing the risk of equipment damage and explosions. The arrestors contain a non-return valve that prevents the reverse flow of gases and a flame arrestor that presents a barrier to any flame in the event of a flashback. This combination design effectively removes the risk of equipment damage and potentially disastrous explosions. The arrestors are sold in pairs for fitting to both the oxygen and fuel lines and are available for both regular mounting and blowpipe mounting. All devices provide the highest levels of safety and performance compliant with Australian standard AS 4603. More information can be found at cigweld.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.